Hello, I'm here for a video tour of the engine bay of my 1967 Jaguar E-Type. In 1967 was the last year for the 4.2 liter engine with triple SU carburetors and smooth valve covers. The next year the engine started to change, most notably with two Solex carburetors and ribbed valve covers. All of these were an effort to meet increasingly rigorous U.S. emissions requirements. You'll be surprised at Cars and Coffees. A lot of people will come up and ask you if your car has a V12 in it. And this is not a V12. It's a straight six dual overhead cam. If you want to impress people, you can mention that it's a 4.2 liter overhead cam Hemi, because the combustion chambers are hemispherical in this engine. As I've discussed in the rest of my ad, I've made a number of upgrades to this engine compartment. Some are obvious if you know what you're looking for, but all of them, I believe, are improvements to the quality of the driving of the car and having it be reliable. So some things I'd like to point out. I have the aftermarket Cool Cat radiator, aftermarket Cool Cat fan. I have the Cool Cat spin-on oil filter. And although you can't see it, there's a gear reduction starter down in there. And I have the 1-2-3 distributor, which is a fully electronic distributor. The E-Type uses a upper and lower A-arm type suspension. There's a shot of the aftermarket classic Jaguar shocks. I believe they're manufactured by Alden. Let's move over to the other side. GoPro, stop recording.